So, I guess it's the moment that everyone's been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you my car.
One more ride, one more race, we go all out, we don't play. One more ride, one more way, we don't slow down, ain't no breaks. I'ma go off, I'ma ride tonight, it don't matter what we face. I'ma go off, I'ma ride tonight, I'm the master of my fate. I'ma go off, I'ma go off, I'ma go off, I'ma go off. Yeah, I gotta go now. Taking off and I'm riding on the road now. Hit the gas, no brakes, gotta go now. Put my life on the line.
Well, after getting it in the shop and everything, the first thing I want to do is, like, I already want to work on it. The first thing I want to do is take these front fenders off here so I can see what I'm working with underneath there. I already took this front piece off here. It was right on here, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these off, see what we got underneath.
That's on me. Blood rushing through my veins, no IV. Ride switching lanes, you can't stop me. You can smell the propane when you pass me. Ride for the game because I'm the G. Helicopter hovering this high speed. Chase, drive straight. I'ma race to the cake. Flame on it, no change on me. All of us became homies. One more ride, one more race. We go all out, we don't.
I actually think I need to take the door off before I can get to a bolt right here. So, I'm just gonna do it, you know? Just do it. So I took the door off, and the front left fender. Now I can see everything. Gonna go have an eating break. So, be back soon. What's up, guys? It's like 10 o'clock right now. Felt like getting some work done on the car. Feel like I want to buff up my engine bay a little tonight. Here's the door that I took off earlier. Hard to see in here. I'm gonna turn some lights on. Oh, it's a little better. Well, I'm gonna buffer up in here. I think I'll be using this. My dad doesn't have his die grinder here, but just cleaning everything up, getting service rust off. So.
One more ride, one more way. We don't slow down, ain't no breaks. I'ma go off, I'ma ride tonight. It don't matter what we face. I'ma go off, I'ma ride tonight. I'm the master of my fate. I'ma go off, I'ma go off, I'ma go off, I'ma go off. Yeah, I gotta go now. Nah. You rockin' with the ether child and overdrive, yeah. I-5 to I-9, we go all night.
When I was buffing, I found a serial number. Thought that was kind of cool. Anyways, I think I'm going to do all this here now. So I did it on this side, and then I'll get in here and stuff, and then get more around there. But it's going well.
Double low speed, double low shift. Souped up cars all around me. Hot boxing at a high speed. Bad things on me. One more time on the road. One more time before we go. One more ride.
Alright, got her a bit done. Alright, well, she's the next day. Just coming back in here from being in the house for a while. we've ran into a problem. I'm taking this off. Right? I'm taking this off. Got all the bolts. I think I have all the bolts. So I even got this one without taking the door off this time. And it seems like it's not loose right here, which is weird. There were some bolts under here that I got too. There is one bolt that I have not got right here. But thing is, when you twist it with the wrench or a socket, it spins on the inside as well as on the outside. And when I reach my hand in here, I have enough to reach it, but that's about it. And it's like a square nut on the inside or something, so I can't find the right size. It's not the same as the outside. So that's bad news. Good news. Good news. We found my wiring harness. There's still one missing, but we found the gist of it, and that's great. That is great, great, great news. Bad news, this light bulb broke, like, just like, not that long ago when we dropped it on the floor. Good news. Got the motor on a stand. This is good news. Wow, what's good, guys? I'm actually back here. I need to get the lights on again because I forgot. I should remember to do that before I start the video. Like, come on, get it together now. The music's always playing. I don't know why. Okay, nice light there. Okay, shop has gotten a lot dirtier. But oh, I forgot bags. We got the fender off. And the reason it wasn't going, I told you about that bolt down there. Had to cut it off because it was basically impossible through the little hole here to get my hand down there and try and clamp something onto it. Basically impossible, so we had to cut it off. There was a bolt there, obviously, that I was missing, and I kind of damaged the fender a little bit trying to get it out without taking that bolt off. So this is not the best, but I think I might be blowing the car completely off right now, and then I kind of want to talk a bit, and then I think this video will be done. So yeah, I actually think I want to go up right now and get bags for all my bolts and all my pieces so that I don't lose them. It would really suck if I lost them. I don't want to do that. Yeah! Yeet! I'm a perfect example of what not to do when you're restoring a car. I just ripped my pants on this when I tried to get in there. Yeah, not a good thing. So what I'm going to do right now though is give her some air. Get all the debris off of her. See how she will be. And then I'm gonna, well, maybe not in this video. Maybe in the next video. So you don't get to know unless you watch the next video. Haha. Got you there, didn't I? Yeah. Alright guys, that's enough for now. So I'm not gonna do the talk right now. I'll save that for later. Just wanted to say thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see me build this car. And it'll be pretty good. I'll make part 2 soon because you guys obviously want to know what the thing is that I'm doing. And yeah, have a wonderful time.
No birds, I'ma go off, I'ma ride tonight, it don't matter what we face, I'ma go off, I'ma ride tonight, I'm the master of my fate, I'ma go off, I'ma go off, I'ma go off, I'ma go off, yeah, gotta go now, gotta go, swerving in my whip, can't slow down, driving fast with cars, boy, I'm on the road now, automatic star, might just take a cold now.